that the Real Digital, they decided to go for the pilot. They decided to use the Hyperledger Besu, right? So that's was essentially that's where I would say that most of the Brazilians that are on this market probably listen to the Hyperledger Besu for the first time. So you already said that Hyperledger Besu is kind of a Ethereum, kind of corporate Ethereum or something like that.
Enterprise Ethereum, yep.
Corporate Ethereum. So what's the difference in your view between, let's say, the Hyperledger Fabric and the Hyperledger and the Hyperledger Besu? So there's a difference in it's just the programming language. Why would the central bank decide to go for one or for another?
Well, like I said, I think the decision points are multi. Like there's lots of reasons to decide over one over the other. If you think about Besu, and when I said it's the market calls it enterprise Ethereum, right?
Yes.
But Hyperledger Besu is very unique. So it came into the Hyperledger Foundation in 2019. And in 2019, it was called Pegasus. It was a contribution by a company called Consensus with the Y. And they brought it in because they, once again, wanted what I was talking about before, not just open sourcing the code base, but doing open development, right? Really building up a community that had multi-stakeholders, had multiple people participating. So Hyperledger Besu is an EVM. So it's an Ethereum virtual machine. It is also can be run as, you can run Hyperledger Besu as an execution client on the mainnet, as well as a permissioned EVM blockchain framework, okay? So you have optionalities, right? And very importantly, Hyperledger Besu will always have what I call parity to mainnet, right? So the benefits of things that are happening on the mainnet. So since the merge, right, the Ethereum mainnet has consensus clients and execution clients.
Yeah.
Hyperledger Besu is an execution client. You could run it as an execution client to do that. And that's very important for the Ethereum mainnet, specifically for the client diversity, right? Being able to make sure that not just one client, which is Hyperledger Geth, which is the one that's the most used as an execution client. So we actually got a grant from the Ethereum Foundation last year in order for the for the mainnet developers, so Hyperledger Besu maintainers that are focused on mainnet, supporting them. So the Ethereum Foundation awarded Hyperledger Besu as a mainnet diversity client grant, which is really important because it gives us, you could see that the Ethereum Foundation is really focused on making sure that Besu is successful in the marketplace for that as well. So I think, and I don't know, I can't attest to one or the other why the Banco Central do Brasil, why they made that decision. But what I see, and especially a lot of financial services and banks, in making a decision specific to Besu, aside that it's Java-based and they're very interested in Java clients, it's also because that parity or that optionality and the closeness with the Ethereum mainnet.